can cows actually produce cola?
Well, it's not as hard as you may imagine. If you consider cows as being machines, if you put the right ingredients in, you get the right ingredients out. We have simply genetically modified the Montusa gland, which allows us to control the makeup of proteins and therefore control the liquid that goes into the udder. Normally the gland combines casein with kappa and beta proteins, fats and sugars, vitamins and calcium. Scientifically, milk is not something hard to make. The cow we discovered on the Ukrainian farm had undergone a natural genetic mutation, so it was adding the cola content in the milk instead of the beta protein, and this was happening because of the certain plant that the cow was eating. The genetic modification we have performed on this new generation of cows, which is completely natural, removes the casein, the kappa protein and the fat and adds a secret ingredient, so in the end we come up with cola. It may seem a very simple step for a cow to make, but it's a huge step for the cola industry.
Why cola?
Why cola? Because it's one of the most popular drinks on the planet. We're not doing this for fun. We have shareholders to please, and it's $1 million business.
Why Coca-Cola over any other?
Because it is organic, natural, so it's a much healthier option. It contains natural sugars, calcium and vitamins, so it's good for you. And as for the taste, it tastes like the leading brand in this category.
What do you think about those that object to genetic modification, especially to produce cola?
It's sad. It's really sad.